on the outside looking in. Never been able to crack the code to break the secret spell that would open up the door and let me in to everything I've been looking for so hard I've never seen. But I feel my strength returning tonight. It's pouring from the purest well to ever give water out into an ocean where the sharks are circling. Carnival of counterfeits has no room for something real. Arrogance and ego wrapped around every word, shouted from the pulpit as a judgment to control. These are my roots, my seed was thrown in shallow soil. I grew into the thorn bushes to be scorched by the sun. But I feel the gravel move beneath my feet, the smell of the gasoline mixed in with the trees. When my faith is strong, I know my strength. The threats will be screamed when the vultures feel threatened.
Evet, Bolu'da kamptayız. 17 arkadaşımızla kampı tamamladık. Arkadaşlar şu an içeride hazırlanıyorlar. Biraz sonra aşağı iniş yoluna geri döneceğiz. Gece biraz soğuk olsa da güzel bir faaliyet geçirdiğimize inanıyorum. Güzel şeyler yaptık, eğlendik, stres attık. Önümüzdeki haftalarda tekrar bir Ballı Kayalar kampı yapmayı düşünüyoruz. Üniversitemizde katılmak isteyen, bu işten zevk alan, eğlenmek isteyen arkadaşlarımızı da kamplarımıza bekliyoruz. İyi günler.
So this is my first camp experience for me, and it's really great. I didn't expect it to be really great like this. Of course, I faced too much difficulties because it's the first time for me, but I enjoyed it too much. We tried too many new things, starting a fire, archery, too many stuff we tried, like exploring here. The nature here is really, really good. I think I'll go again for such a camp like this. Thank you.